honor and pride to be receiving this award in front of dignitaries like Mr. Sunil Shetty and all the global leaders, achievers here. Awards like this acts as a catalyst to me and my team to innovate, initiate and introduce problem-solving products with more social responsibility. I would like to dedicate this award to my dad, whom I lost a year ago. Dad, this is for you, and I will never let you go, and the legacy continues. To my family, who's back home in India, and my team, who have always supported me. Without their support, I don't think I could achieve this. And I would also like to thank bizox media for recognizing us and motivating us for achieving our goals in a more respectful manner. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and many, many congratulations to you.